Let's play Roblox. Let me beat this game. Hi. Pen de Sara, pen de kutsilyo ni Almase. How we cut. Pen sipit nalilipit ginto pilak na muna. Wala si Lola dun. Adjust ulit. Do not troll, please. Huwag kayo mag-troll. Ay, salamat. Ay! No. Nahanap ko to guys. So, dito lang sa Slap Tower 4. Question mark. Yun. Tingnan mo, may invisible ako na invisible slap paano. I just found it here. Ha! Nobody can. Oy! Gawagaya! Idiot! Bacon idiot. Wala siyang taba. Mas maganda pa ito, oh. Nagbago na tayo. Mag-slap. Hindi sila nag-troll. Ay, bait nyo, bait. Salamat po. Alam mo, meron din Pilipino dyan. Pilipino? Sorry niya ay, kakata. Yes. Kabibit ko to. Kaya ko to. Hindi mo yan kaya. Ang ingay naman. Uy! Uy!
Baka nakagaito ka.
Wala. Lo. Punta na tayo. Ba't tayo nahuhulog eh? Ba't tayo nahuhulog? Ewan ko. Alright, we're back. Uy, may nag-i-slap sa'yo.
Go, bro.
Bro, fell to. Okay, hindi na tayo. Whenever you do that, hindi tayo. Ay, kakaibig. Si Liam kasi. Kakabata. Dulas kasi ice. Uy, mga. Saglit lang. Mobile phone to. Nadudulas ka dyan. Oh! Finally, nakapunta na tayo. Dito ako nahulog. Don't. Oh my God. Guys, we finally beat it. Joke lang. Ito lang muna. Lobat na kami. Bakit hindi kami? Kita ka na kami. You can just cheat. I don't wanna cheat. Oh, they're disappearing balls. Balls. I want. Oh, I thought this is half ball. Oh, it's disappearing. Please, not troll. It's trolling. Dagoy, mag-jump ka doon. I think it's stopping. Thank you. Aw, she's nice. 2 bacons. Love bacon. Support bacon, guys. Support bacon. Oh, ano to? Oh. Wall hop. Anong wall hop? Joke lang. O yun. It's time. Yay, nasa orange ka na. Congratulations! Oh! Not that again. Little baby. Lala! You don't want to fall. Go it at orange. I'm always stuck here. Ako nga. I want to skip though, but no. It's not working. Out me. Don't skip! Easy. What do you mean easy? Hindi ko ang taba yan. I give up now. No. Give up na ako.